Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review with you my newest, well actually this is my first Hermes handbag. I got this shipped from Hawaii, and if you watch my 2020 handbag wish list video, you know that I only have one bag in my wish list for this year, which is the Hermes Mini Constance. So I'm going to talk to you while I unbox this. I've already obviously unboxed this handbag because obviously I was too excited about this. It comes in this very durable dust bag. I'm sure if you watch other Hermes unboxing video, you know how thick and durable this dust bag is. And inside of this dust bag comes ta-da! My first Hermes bag, the Mini Constance. This is my holy grail bag. I think this is the only bag that I wanted for this year, and I'm really glad that I finally get my hands on this bag. And it is in the epsom leather. As you can see, it's very durable, and in the gold color. I think the color is 37 gold for Hermes, and it matches with the silver hardware. I know some people are pretty particular when it comes to the hardware. A lot of people prefer the gold hardware or the rose gold hardware, but for me I feel like the silver goes really well with gold because it kind of cooled it down a little bit. I feel like 37 gold from Hermes is a pretty warm tone, and if it matches with the silver hardware, it kind of cooled it down, and so it can get more creative when it comes to matching with your outfit. So you don't have to go all the way warm tone, more you don't have to go gold with gold. So anyways, it's all based on personal preference. And let me take you to get a closer look at the handbag. You can see around the bag there are white stitching, which I really like. I believe that only except for special order, you only have the gold and I believe is the taupe color that comes with the white stitching. I personally really like it. And the bag opens like so. You can see it has two main compartments. In the back there's also one small pocket, but I don't think you can fit a ton inside. Maybe your, I don't know, secret love letter or a credit card can fit quite comfortably inside of this back pocket. In the front compartment, however, you do have a very spacious pocket here. Maybe you can put in some cash, some of your transportation cards and stuff like that. And I know some people will prefer they have a pocket in the back, but unfortunately it's all flat in the bag. And so on the side, you can see it can get quite, it can stretch out a little bit, although because of the epsom leather, I think it's more structured and it's more durable. So, but still, I think you can stretch it out a little bit. Let me just show you really quickly how it looks on me. So today I'm wearing a dress, so I think the best way to wear the bag is to wear it on one side of your shoulder with the double strap. You can also, hold it on the crick of your arm, or you can just simply carry it with your hand. For me, I really like carrying this bag with this double strap. I think it's very feminine, and as you can see, the gold color really goes well with all the different colors, even this pop of green color dress. However, if you want to wear it crossbody, you can also do that. I usually wear it crossbody with my jeans, some of my shorts and t-shirts. It's really easy for me to get things in and out wearing it crossbody, and you can also close it quite easily. The length of the strap is perfect for my height. By the way, I'm 5'5", or 167, 168 centimeters. So I will say wearing this bag crossbody, it works out perfectly for my height. Yep. sometimes you can also like put it all the way in the bag so that it looks more casual. Cool. All right. So with all the smart shots, I'm going to show you like what actually fits inside of this bag. Before I was a little bit worried about, because this is a mini size bag, I'm not sure like how much can actually fit inside of the bag. But after carrying it outside like twice or 3 times, I feel like this is a very, very functional bag. So as I said, like it can open and it can get like open and closed quite easily. First off, I'm going to fit my phone inside. Usually I just put it in the front pocket. As you can see, it slides in quite easily, even with a case. I think if you don't have a case for your phone, it will be even easier. And for your reference, this is the iPhone 8 Plus, so the larger size iPhone. And next up, I have my Chanel card holder. I'm probably thinking about also like switching to like a Hermes card holder, but like the price is just like maybe 3 times of the price of this Chanel card holder. So this is retail that's like maybe around $500–600 US, and then the Hermes card holder is around like, I don't know, like $1,300 or $1,500 depending on the style. So I'm still debating about that. Cool. As you can see, it also fits quite comfortably inside of this bag. Next, I have my lip balm. As you can see, like this is a round shape. I can either fit it like horizontally, or maybe I can just like put it inside on top of my card holder. And of course, like I need a lipstick which can fit in on the side. And some folks will want to like carry like a perfume. I can fit it right next to my lipstick. By the way, guys, be careful like if you want to fit anything sharp inside of this bag, because not sure whether you can see in this in the video, but the interior of the bag is not epsom leather. It is really, really soft. I would say like this is probably lambskin. So I think the interior of this bag is very prone to scratches. So if you want to put something sharp inside of the bag, be careful about that. And as you can see, it's pretty much full. I wanted to try to put in this mini sunscreen because it's summertime, and I think it still fits. Let me try to close it. Cool. See, it actually closed up quite easily, but if you see on the side, it does get stretched out a little bit, which makes this bag a little bit bulkier. But I personally don't mind. I feel like it's very cute with this like bulky look, and because this is in epsom leather, so even with all the stuff inside of the bag, it doesn't feel really heavy. And if the weight does bother you, I would suggest you just like change this into like a double strap, so that you can carry it with 2 straps, which can reduce some of the tension for your shoulder. And this is how it looks on one shoulder. This is, by the way, my favorite way of carrying the bag. Alright, so that's all for today's video, guys. Let me know how you think about the Minute Constance from Hermes. Do you think the logo is a little bit too, you know, shines too much? Maybe it's too like high profile? Or do you still prefer to have a Birkin or like a Cali from Hermes? I would say like for my, I guess like my personal lifestyle, I find Constance the most versatile and most handy bag. You know, I'm a mini bag girl, and I love carrying like crossbody bags because it kind of like freed up your both hands, and also you can do whatever you want. Or if you want to like carry like maybe a cup of coffee or like milk tea, I think it's pretty easy to do that as well. Cool. Alrighty, let me know what you think about this bag, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!